This small white string attached to the egg yolk is called the chalaza. It is a completely natural part of the egg, made from twisted strands of protein. The chalaza forms as the egg develops inside the hen, and its main purpose is to keep the yolk centered and stable inside the shell. It works like a tiny support system or anchor, protecting the yolk from damage when the egg moves around. Many people think this white part means the egg is bad or unhealthy, but it's actually the opposite. A more visible chalaza usually means the egg is fresher. It is completely safe to eat and does not need to be removed before cooking. Since it is made of protein, it also adds a small nutritional benefit. So this tiny white part is nature's smart way of keeping the egg balanced, protected, and fresh until it is ready to be eaten.